Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how you can send your Ton to your GCash account. So first you go to send section in your Tonkeeper wallet, enter the wallet address provided by your cryptocurrency exchange, so either Binance or Coinbase, specify the amount of Ton you want to transfer, okay? Confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. Convert Ton to PHP or fiat currency. Log in to the exchange, open the cryptocurrency exchange app or website, log into your account, convert TON to PHP. So navigate to the trading section of the exchange, select TON and choose to trade it for PHP. Execute the trade to convert your TON to PHP, transfer the funds from the exchange to GCash, withdraw PHP to GCash, go to the withdrawal section of the exchange, select PHP as the currency to withdraw, choose GCash as the withdrawal method, enter your GCash account details, and confirm your transaction, verify and confirm. You will receive a notification from GCash once the funds are credited to your account. Check your GCash balance to ensure the transaction was successful. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.